friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be making pork chops in the air fryer. To make these pork chops, all we need is pork chops, olive oil, and seasonings of your choice. I'm going to use salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. So the first step would be to season the pork chops with olive oil and seasonings. So we just put a little bit of olive oil, and I will toss to coat with olive oil on both sides. And next I will season the pork chops on both sides. So I will sprinkle them with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And now I will turn them over and season the other side. Once we've seasoned the pork chops, let's open the air fryer basket and put the pork chops in the air fryer in a single layer. Now let's put the basket in the air fryer. And now I will set the temperature to 400 degrees. And we'll set the time to 12 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's flip the pork chops over. And put the basket back in the air fryer. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these delicious, perfectly cooked pork chops. They look amazing. So easy to make on the air fryer. You will love making pork chops this way. For a printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. Enjoy, and I hope to see you next time.